emotion recognition, you'd expect the ability to recognise emotion to improve as we get older, when you've had more time to experience the world, to meet people, and so on. But according to the literature, there is evidence to suggest that the recognition of some emotions decrease as we age. Could this be a subtle indication of cognitive decline? Deficits in emotion recognition may be a window into what's happening in the aging brain. We investigated whether changes in emotion recognition could be attributed to memory, a decline in memory or visual processing. We have investigated cognitive decline from a dissociation paradigm. That is, we look at two or more processes that might account for the phenomenon of interest, in this case, a decline in emotion recognition, and see if those processes decline uniformly or at different rates. So, for example, if non-verbal memory declined and verbal memory remained intact, this would provide evidence for dissociation of process and would support a theory that age-related changes occur in distinct parts of the brain and decline at different rates. The alternate view is that there is generalised decline and age-related changes occur across the entire brain. This is important in being able to treat cognitive decline. If there is a decline in certain parts of the brain, then we are more able to manage and potentially slow the process. Research suggests that it's important to intervene as early as possible. However, if there is a generalised decline across the entire brain, it would be more difficult to treat as there is no one specific area to target. We investigated whether decline appears in verbal versus non-verbal memory and found a decline in verbal memory. This provides evidence for dissociation of the two types of information. We also found that older adults declined on anger, sadness and surprise recognition. This suggests some common element present in verbal memory may be involved in the process of emotion recognition. We also found that non-verbal memory did not decline. In the second part of the study, we were interested to see whether differences in decline in the visual system reflect a breakdown in the way in which information is processed. We wanted to see whether people process faces as a whole configuration or by features. An interesting and innovative tool we used to measure this was using a variation of the marker factor illusion. So when the face is upright and features are inverted, the face looks grotesque. But when the face is upside down and features are inverted, the face still looks normal at first glance. If we focus in on the features, we can see they are still distorted. From this task, we found that older adults had poorer accuracy and increased reaction time for distorted features or ones that had been factorised. Preliminary data provides some evidence for breakdown in feature processing in the visual system with age. These results also provide some evidence for modularity in cognitive decline in the aging brain.